as intake ya January EU ibwata chikosi ao bunabono agricultural and environment studies, mechanical and automotive engineering, refrigeration and air conditioning, welding and fabrication na wigo ase ensema ya building and civil engineering nkwegeli bale plumbing, masonry, carpentry and joinery, building technology, civil engineering na wigo water engineering ase ensema ya computing and informatics nkwegeli bale ICT operator, ICT technician, computer packages, cyber security na wigo na network system administration ase ensema ya electrical and electronic engineering nkwegeli bale electrical installation na wigo electrical engineering ase ensema ya cosmetology nkwegeli bale hairdressing wigo mbabwate fashion design ase hospitality and tourism nkwegeli bale food production yani cookery na wigo food and beverage production wigo mbabwate course ya driving kuchasi bali bonse baraganye kwegera kugenda Kigali
asa Marieta Ngorogu James Barare Nyakundi e principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College eye gotoka Alimongoni Kitutu Masaba North Sub County Kitutu Masaba Constituency Nyamira County. Abana baino bali ba college school cha class 8 gose form 4 batagiye universities acha teyo babere isiko ekiagara bone gase Kitutu Masaba ndobwate chikose zicheme kono cy'ububundi cyonsi. Abana ngwakana bali kibese ne serikali wetera the government scholarship nkwaye bali chiloni cyo gosoma wetera help higher education loans board nekibese cyo mwana nkwaye wale kiri kitokoroka out of pocket ekyo mwana gotumia kumenye school ubulendagera na gwakane se nyumba komenya egento kende abana nkwaye bali chi constituency bursaries and even county government bursaries ekyo applications chirororo n'ababunge kuna bono mu bungo Kitutu Masaba constituency bwana honorable Clive Gisairo we are committed sana aso go support abana bagocha Kitutu Masaba egende Tanganyika tabiri nga mwana ndo gwense gocha Kitutu Masaba we bursary in full inda abana baito January intake nagendereta abana bali bakoso school January mwakaribishwe ndogendereta na intake na application tinchigendereta
asamange nabo okubatalira ase school yiga kose obakirisi migwetrasa kiramba cyabo 0743480999 kose 0782490068.
Wairebia nando mwanchumo ligereria andonsi aso tobwaterete chinsa inye chiabono margoba ase Jumatano ya bene ye jitalikinye aso mutinyo kabere karibu sana andonsi aso totengerete ase kionga chinsa inye ili togendere gukomanya ayagendete gukorekana korwa chinsemo au isaranso iko mwanchumo ligereria eli onkoletere onsi ase nchira yobwikiranu ikati ya yalitwa kwareganirie ase margoba yabono nigo omuriro muti oba kugwateka ase Mama Ngina Children's Home imeye county ya Kisumu ase dormitory yamo yabage kuya nakoba alibu ase bono umuriro yu oba kugusalia enibo yebinte binge ase Children's Home ya Mama Ngina imeye county ya Kisumu ayu negati yalitokwareganiriti ase kionga chinsa inye isaranso ike na karibu elio tokomanye ase nchira yobwime nigo tokobwaterana na Wilson Makori kurugalia sensa moye bimanyererio na ncheni gongoro kwa Ruth Kemunto. Chinsa inyani gotogo chaka kurwase kaunti ya Nyamira asomo gavana Amos Kimwaminyalibu aberega kugokera egetambukiro kyogo chakigwa ku muroberi bogukinia ibirengo bya matoke imenye kaunti eyo ya Nyamira kagokwana imenye kurwase kaunti eyo chingaki abaga kumirana amono mulikyo monene asensemo yobonchoreri obwo bokoboke musubati Susan Mangeni ni gonyalibo abereka gotebabuna egetambukiro ekyo ni gomono kirachigo konya abasa bange anenekero bakwirigeria engere yabo yakera lituko.
You know, Nyamira, as another Kenyan county, has a problem with the youth. There is a lot of unemployment. So this is one of the opportunities which, among many, which can open up for the youth to get engaged and make money out of it. As I had told you earlier, we started it by growing food. But now it might appear the fiber business might be the main value chain. Although banana also, as a banana, has a lot of potential. And known to many, banana paste, meaning if we process banana to be a paste, there is a lot of demand in Europe and elsewhere for pharmaceutical industries and the food industries as a media of passing the medicine. So it's also a very big potential which you cannot satisfy. So going forward, I think the opportunities are opening. The youth will be out of the streets. The mothers in the villages will be getting value for their efforts. And as a government, I am the first one to set up an ICT hub, county government. I'm training young people every month. Currently, I'm training 35 every month to be able to access online jobs. But in the next phase now, from July, I want to expand into 3 or 4 areas so that even if you do not have money, you can do online jobs, save money, and start maybe producing other things like this fiber. You can easily go. If you don't get Nyota, because Nyota cannot give everybody, you can get money from online and save and start a business of production, of value addition. We are going to put money to promote this particular value chain because it's unique and the market cannot be satisfied. So we hope we will team up with the national government because the aim of the national government is the same as ours, to be able to
Mwancho rigereria egati abamenyi korwa ase kinyorukia ria makora ime sublocation ya Bogiakomo ebunge ya Bonchari me kaunti ya Kisii nigo bagendrete gutigara aso musunte kelima maiga y'abantu batamanyikaniti gusagana ekenyoria kyo na koiba chiwaya cy'inguru cy'umuriro obotuko bugukira ali tukulia lero kurengana amo n'abamenyi abo nigo babiri bagotebabuna ekenege kole kyabere gegokorekana ase entunde taria yamo na nigo abantu abubono babiri bakoragwa ebyara ngekero barachigwikerwa mbachikimukirwa egetambukire getindikiri chiko nonya nabo nigo abamenyi abo baburire gokonywa asobwango elikwane kibuna omusunte togendera kwene kigwa ase chinsemicho
Ndobwatoba konguga obonge chistima cha butoiru chaerire talibono litangani line tunda ya kane etogo chikoboka mambi twanyora chiwaya nchi twanyorira abayibi ba ngokagera na bare mega ngaba stima muneko na koibwa bana bakoboka barandire guya eri ntangani yanse bakarugoro kokoboka kwanyora waya teye bando mochionde igatwa chande kirabangina ngakimagoteba baminton ndobwate stima ya batonyarire manya bagutara mpaka isiko bokinto likorara tokonyaga kya abantu baminto tokonya
autokosa babarai gavana ito plus no MCA no MP igao toleke misi twawulirwe stima epale ne ekorukorwa ngunyauno ngumbu ya ndebo Bogiakomo esa banafunzi baitu bagosoma bono gane kemisi gioka banta atwaria risiringa abagocha baetari ase kemisi kere no ese gesunte kere no bagopiki chigwaye chikoru ekere twachiko korobono gali gochumuino gaigo twanyoranga ase biro byogete ase mbakune tiwaye echo abare korusia ase egesunte kere
mugaki otogosaba mabira kurwa simule motokonye gwetera twaibeiru boire twachandikire munanje timbwati akerorero nkororera nonye na abana bane bakurwa esukuru mbabwati ase bagosomera nonye na bagweta mari bune gwaya bune rigerege cieri gora abana bakurwa esukuru bono babwate bono gaki anare gwanja mware korora mabira motokonye gaki buno mwongo nerore kobange nerore amo na intwe nando tumanyete buya mono gaki atorwanirira ase eng'encho gaigangatigati tore korende koranyorekane nwana ayo nyebwate orere biya tobasa kochiakana chionsi pia ase eng'encho nayo yomo bokoiba nkia yoranchere eng'ento kebutoire oche konerigwa nkia ekeragera bwanche ebinto bigokorekana tibwanchere na ng'au mwanya bantu baiberwa oboringa ng'aikwarusia ng'aikwagora ase eng'encho tori pago kware gocha korosia
gose gikurukia nekenene asa abankwana bari bakagire bagendete gotosumbwa ntori ng'antu bamaeti ntokagirete boni iganche nari ko request omu assistant chief na chief ase bari ngweta bara na inde nabo baramanya bari yabaikeire bono ngo cyaka turi musakuito na inda stokonyoro omonto nturi kunya kumuira ime gose bona abantu baminda ase ng'encho bato chandire chusi twarenga matanga bomuga konsombe mwina ali kara togocha bakatubira chikebo mwina ali bere aya bakaire nande bakaire kebo kemwari mondari nande rero bachire matanga nande nale rugora nande bachire nande batuibero botuko bwa rero igom anenake kole bikole kana kera mutubwata matanga bamanyanga abantu barora matanga bone bari chinseji bacha basungura chiwaya igonche kureke na rungo yokubwatu nabo tutamoire imase ng'encho bato chande tari boigo
chande yestima yabere gotonyora botambe tokobutoro chiwaya tware gosaba abantu ba Kenya Power baimokie getambukero asogocha komanya nkike gandrete nande mbantu bang'encho kibagocha bakora ebinto ebi boiga abagambi bekenyoreke twabasabire mokoro moki asokobwatia amang'ana erinde mokonya abantu
Naboigo mwanchumu rigereria ekero tokwirana county ya Nyamira nigobwa omweso munene guchase skuru ya Marindi eyo gotoka ime ye ward ya Bugichora ebunge ya West Mugirango ime ye county ya Nyamira magega ya barabukonyora etaya gosoburabu obubura chigokonya anene abana kenyoro amo naborokibwa abeskuru eyo kolengana no morokyo munene bweskuru eyo Robinson Nyamwakanigo aberega kwerera omugokoye na kwera nirimbia ase omonasiasa uyoba gakobabekera oburabu ase eskuru eyo na goteba nigo urachikoba gakobakonya anenekero aborokigwa ekero bagokora amasomo abo muri kitofatiga digisemba na kirana sayu nabono nigatwariganirie orobotyo ruo
Buna injira egemo yokweneke buna oburabu mborororo boisaine ase skuru yobroso ya Marindi ime ye wodi ya Bugichora obubura konye posiria omosunte ase skuru eyo egento kera orobie nonyina masomo okoreka ase injira engia naboigo abanyakinyorabu baetanaine eskuru eyo okonyeka noburabu nigobono babekeirwe etaya no mwana siasa Douglas Orutwa onkeo
twachira nabaretire etaya security light erinde enyara okonya eschool ne community engaki estima okonyore koenda nabo okonyora omosunto koba arandu affected ne community at large
ingana eyiga yokoretwa gwetaya eyo eriokoreta oburabu nigoboigo yagokeirwe n'omwarimu omonene bw'eskuru eyiga asereta Robinson Nyamwaka ase ensemo yaye atebire nigo irachikobakonya nonyina ase amasomo yaborokiwa okoreka ase enchira enyororo
oyo gokwana gakorokwa Robinson Nyamwaka omwedi teacher Marindi Comprehensive School gotore no mokaseri tukoria rero twanyarira abageni korwa sichaika bakira sing'enjo gocha gosire skuru yaitu na mono honda tebenga batokonyire taya asing'enjo yo gosire gesunte skuru yaitu enyore oburabu elinda abane keraba gocha mambia baso prep basoma naende nigo baratokonye for K club asing'enjo yo gokinia agriculture skuru yaitu na se community asa abana baito barasome muna mumaete CPE togendete curriculum nigetegeta abana basome ebinto byonsi
Kukwana kurase skuru eyo nigoboigo omwanasiasa Douglas Orutwa onkeo kurase wodi eyeiga ya Bugichora atebire boigo ibare no muroberio bugochia kobwatuka amaigerio gochase chiskuru anene chie wodi eyo igoro yenjira oburemi obuya burache wikiraniwa ase chiskuru anene buria bwechinyeni
Number 2 nduthaitha gukora gintu gikuru ku 4K clubs in the schools ntubwateranite na partner chinyinge kubwatira ndone county yetu ya Nyamira hasa magana smart agriculture tutagete gusimika chinyeni chi school na bintu binde amagana ya environment we establish nursery in schools tutaina abana baitu n'abantu baitu in schools elinde ngake yo murakera abantu abange baburi no ene ndagera unandiri 4K clubs in schools utanga bono no ene school njiko randagira ku rusiko no ene community nabe ko randagira ku school elinde tunyago conserve the environment na inde to produce more to say in future because no ene school na and even feeding program in this school.
Kingo reporter Getembe korwa igase skuru yoboroso ya Marindi yegotoka imeye wodi ya Bugichora West Mugirange County ya Nyamira Njefa Tigad Gisemba
Mbia mono umurikito Fatgad Gisemba asorobotiuru kero tutigarite imeye County ya Nyamira umujumbe o West Mugirango umuske Steven Mugaka nigo litukulia lero abakagukwanira igoro yogosukiwa mutwe wo kubeka ligana lyoboroso asomoyega bwogochakibwa kwa magacho yebirasi byogosoma imeye skuru ye secondary ya Otanyore amo ne chinyomba chiaborokia bakibirigo comprehensive eyo uyu kagire guchaka lituko wasokagire guchaka titariki isano nemo umutinyo kabere ase omwaka uyiga project ya Utanyore nigo ekagire guchya koira chiringi chiri chimilion emerongo etano nemo na nigo abereka goteba buna ogotereni woko nigo ko guchikorwa libaga guchya ase obwagachi bwechipara obwo bwababo guchakiwa litukulia lero ase egatie chipara stage ya Nyamira amabundu goika agyanchole omujumbe oyo Steven Mugaka nigo alenge gukwana yemo ase yemo nigetaseni kya Getembe wetera asenchira yesemi
nkobaboria buna umuroberio urekobese wiki bwoko igora amagacho ya administration block ase skuru ya Kibirigo Junior na ugo akige kamago kia Utanyore senior school elia ekwagachwa na ufadhili gusene kibesa chia Safaricom Foundation yabetereirie iratenena kuchia chitariki chinde chigo chakurwebwa asomo tienyoyo eye igego twalibaga turaikerania ukwagacha na maintain chipara chaitechi chia chandikire imbure tarabucha na sabire amabera ase uguchenchia emiroberi eyo lakini tigambae ogosemeria unaonye umwaka nure bwemirimo umwaka uliwa noruyo o 2026 elia nkubulia abantu bakeye menwa tubuchie imirimo iyo mu West Mugirango ira netenyuma na ndibona na ruete ira una West Mugirango igo ya nkoleta number 1 asobochori bwabo na inche wika nkole West Mugirango number 1 asobo koleri asamagenderero asichisemi asikwagacha asabana baitu bagosomera asuwokistima ase uko ruburana gokonya kipara cheito tiganya saya bwo morembe agendere gotoa chisemi nubo ngaini egera tonyare guikirania ndoto iyo mu West Mugirango na Nyamira koba county na constituency ire number 1.
Mwanchomo ligereria orobotiurwa y'umujumbe Steven Mugaka na rugotoira aso mutimuko asensementaganiye kyonga chinsenye kolende asige kageteri getambe ntoirane elio ngendere gokomanya amange tubase kusukale kwegera ngoirana tole
Sukuru ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College igego kwarigania ase intake ya January eyu ebwata chikosi ao bunabono Agricultural and Environment Studies, Mechanical and Automotive Engineering, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning, Welding and Fabrication na wigo ase ensema ya Building and Civil Engineering ngwegeli bale Plumbing, Masonry, Carpentry and Joinery, Building Technology, Civil Engineering na wigo Water Engineering ase ensema ya Computing and Informatics ngwegeli bale ICT Operator, ICT Technician, Computer Packages, Cyber Security na wigo na Network System Administration ase ensema ya Electrical and Electronic Engineering ngwegeli bale Electrical Installation na wigo Electrical Engineering ase ensema ya Cosmetology ngwegeli bale Hairdressing wigo mbabwate Fashion Design ase Hospitality and Tourism ngwegeli bale Food Production yani Cookery na wigo Food and Beverage Production wigo mbabwate course ya Driving kuchasi bali bonse baraganye kwegera kugenda Kigali.
Asa Marieta Ngorogu James Barari Nyakundi e principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College eye gotoka Alimongoni, Kitutu Masaba North Sub-County, Kitutu Masaba Constituency, Nyamira County. Abana baino bali ba college school cha class 8 gose form 4 batagiye universities acha teyo babere isiko ekiagera bone gase Kitutu Masaba ntobwate chikose zicheme kono cy'ububundi cyonsi. Abana ngwakana bali kibese ne serikali wetera the government scholarship nkwaye bali chiloni cy'ogosoma wetera HELB Higher Education Loans Board nekibese cy'umwana nkwaye wale kiri tutokoroka out of pocket ecy'umwana gotumia kumenye school ubulendagera na gwakanese nyumba komenya egento kende abana nkwaye bali chi constituency bursaries and even county government bursaries ekyo applications kirororo n'ababunge unabono mu bungo Kitutu Masaba constituency bwana honorable Clive Gisairo we are committed sana aso support abana bagocha Kitutu Masaba egende Tanganyika tabiri ngo mwana ndo gwense gocha Kitutu Masaba we kawe bursary in full inda abana baito January intake negendereta abana bali bakoze school January mwakaribishwe togendereta na intake na application sinchigendereta
asamange nabo okubatalira ase school yiga kose obakirisi migwetera sikiramba cyabo 0743480999 kose 0782490068. Subscribe ase channel ya Gatembe TV rero ili wimanyibu na mangana watika kira chingake ase channel ya YouTube ya Gatembe TV nigo toko kora live streaming ya mangana maya chi video ne bipindi bya Gatembe ao ngakiende yonse inyuranga ngwetera ase official channel ya Gatembe TV. Subscribe, comment ase chi video cheto wigo share na basani amuni amate ili waigokie wemanye na wesemia tubase kweba turn on a notification bell yani ekengere ili onyaliko bagoko yanyora chingaki abikiri ase umtandao Gatembe Television Network ekinakyo ekeunga kiamamogusie.
Welcome to Elimu Academy, a modern school committed to offering the best education for every learner. We are CBC compliant and provide junior secondary education, ensuring a seamless academic journey for your child. We provide excellence in every detail, a modern, spacious library, fully equipped for every learner, a state-of-the-art science laboratory and a modern computer lab, perfect for hands-on, practical learning, spacious, modern classrooms for comfort and focus, top qualified teachers certified by the Ministry of Education. In the latest Kenya National Council for Examinations KJSEA results, Elimu Academy recorded outstanding performance. Out of 48 candidates, 29 exceeded expectations, 17 met expectations, and only 2 approached expectations. Most impressively, 32 learners successfully transitioned to C1 secondary schools, a true reflection of strong academic foundation and consistent excellence. The 2026 intake and admissions are ongoing. Hurry and secure space for your child today. Located 2 kilometers from Kisii town along the Kisii-Keroka Highway. Call us on 0741 562 931 or 0780 894 411. Elimu Academy, educating for eternity. Korista Training College inakupa mafunzo bora ya teknolojia na ujuzi wa kisasa unaohitajika sokoni leo. Tunapeana kozi ya Computer Studies katika Basic IC3, Advanced IC3 na Computer Technician, ambapo utapata mafunzo ya kutengeneza, kutatua matatizo na ujuzi wa kitaalamu wa kompyuta. Tunapeana kozi ya Graphics Design katika Motion Graphics na Still Graphics. Badilisha ubunifu wako kuwa taaluma ya kulipwa. Tunajivunia kuwa na kompyuta nyingi za kisasa, kuhakikisha kila mwanafunzi anahudumiwa kikamilifu na kwa kuridhisha. Korista Training College ipo Suneka Town, Asumbi Junction. Tawi letu lingine liko Homa Bay, Sophia Estate. January intake inaendelea. Usikose nafasi ya kujiunga na kizazi cha kidijitali. Piga simu sasa 0707185119. Korista Training College, the heart of the digital world.
Wancho mwarigereria karibu nande asesema ya kabere kiunga chinsa inye elio ngendrego komanya. Korasa sekta ya chisemi umwaziri wechisemi umuske Julius Migos Ogamba nigo abirika gukwanira igoro ya boroki waba grade 10 na goteba nigo aboroki wabange wikabono basoire asichi skuru na nigo abagendrete amona masoma abono nyinabo nigabirika kubolia ababwatani bechisemi korwa chinsemo au kubwaterana eliko ene kibuna chisemi nkonyara ko bachite chigukina imeyense ya Kenya nigo alenge ko yakwana yaiga ase nyumba ya magacho yobomenyo ubumurayi wense State House ime yomuchu Nairobi heritu kulia lero.
Your Excellency, our work in higher education continues to follow a principle you have consistently affirmed, that no qualified student should miss the opportunity for university education because of financial constraints, or that no institution should be limited by outdated funding systems. Under your leadership, the university funding model has been reformed to make higher education more accessible, affordable, sustainable, and aligned with national priorities. We are already seeing remarkable progress. Institutions are stabilizing, accountability is improving, and more students are accessing opportunities in higher education across the country. Bomet University enters this space at a time when innovation, relevance, and quality are central to our national development. May I take this opportunity to call upon Bomet University and indeed all our universities to prepare in terms of programs and human capital to receive the first cohort of the students under the competency-based education system in 2029. As we gather here today, this cohort has started senior school with a transition rate of 98.5% thus far. This high transition rate is attributable to strategic interventions by His Excellency the President that have eliminated barriers to access, such as costly uniforms and fees. Indeed, Your Excellency, may I also take this opportunity to thank you for ensuring that the education sector is adequately and timelessly funded, as illustrated this term when capitation was disbursed to schools even before they opened for the new term. Today, as we congratulate this institution to becoming a full-fledged university, we undertake to continue working closely with the leadership, with the staff, with the students, and with the surrounding communities to strengthen quality, build credibility, and expand our academic and research opportunities.
Uyo kabaire umunachebi no munene meyense ya Kenya umusike David Kinani Maragani igo agendete komocha serikali asikiri atebire bunani getarekirania abananchi amagendero asechinsemo au na yabete gekolia chira ukona kuri kaunti ya Kwale Maragani abereka goteba buna obukurumi nigo bagendete koeneki wa mono asechi sekta chinginchu mono ase serikali na komenta goteba buna nigo sekta yechisemi egendrete kuyeliwa mono kubwatekana nekeri atebire buna no boteneneri worobobe.
Ninaita zaidi nataka kusimamisha wizi wa pesa ya serikali. Wizi wa pesa ya serikali nataka kusimamisha kabisa. Kenya si masikini. Ni pesa ambao ile ambayo inatakikana kwenda kwa shule ya watoto wetu inachukuliwa na watu binafsi wanaenda kufanya mambo yao. Mumeona mara nyingi pesa zinalipwa kwa shule ambayo haiko. Pesa zinalipwa kwa hospitali ambayo haiko. Na wananchi wanaendelea kushangaa na kutopata ile huduma ambao wanatakikana kupata.
Hawa wenyeji vuguvugu wa pwani wanaongea kwamba hali ya uchumi imezorota, lakini wao wako na shamba, hao wako na madini, hao wako na bidhaa. Tuwaonyeshe na tuhakikishie ya kwamba wakati utakaochukua ushukani wewe ni kiongozi, ile madini, ile minerals, ile red rubies ambayo iko huku, ya kwamba lazima ikuje isaidie wananchi wa Kwale, isaidie wananchi wa pwani, ndio ilhali ya kwamba uchumi ya nchi hii, ya sehemu hii ikuje juu.
University ya Bomet ni gobono ya nyorire chinguru chugwetenenera buri tuko ria rero moyego yunigo omanyekanite buna okwenanwa wechata ni nanigo okolekana asa magacho yobomenye bumuraibwense ya Kenya State House imeyo mucho Nairobi nanigo obagukurawa no muraibwense ya Kenya Daktari William Ruto nigo wigo obakowekeranwa no muwaziri bwechisemi umuske Julius Migos Ogamba.
Let me commend the leadership of Bomet County, the people and the community in Bomet County for their support of this great institution, and to assure you that you have my support undivided and qualified, because Bomet University deserves it. I have discussed with the county government of Bomet on relocating the stadium, and I think we have agreed with the governor here, and we have some new land somewhere else. So I think the beginning, Chair of Council, is that what was the stadium there can now become part of the university, and I think we can start there as we try to expand the facilities available for that university. That is, if it is okay with the community in Bomet. Let this university become a center of solutions, solving real problems and creating real opportunities for the citizens of our country. Congratulations, Bomet University. Congratulations, Bomet County. Congratulations, the Bomet community. My very, very best wishes. Asante sana.
nabo igo ekiama kia UDA nigo kiabagie kwarigania omusangiririkano oyu obakogokorekana anene iguru yabamiriria bibirugo bya gisiasa asobochoria bonene anene korwa ase kiama ekyo asobochoria bo mwaka bwa 2025 musangiririkano oyu nigo bagokora ino murai bwense ya Kenya Daktari William Ruto nabo igo omokonyoye omusike Professor Abraham Kithure Kindiki.
Na mimi nimefurahi sana yale mambo yote naibu wetu wa rais na deputy party leader wetu wa UDA amesema hapa. Sio kazi ya William Ruto peke yake. Hiyo ni kazi ya Wakenya wengi ambao tumeshirikiana na wao. Ni kazi ambayo inahusu wanachama wote wa chama ya UDA. Kila mwanachama wa UDA mahali popote ulipo, ujue ya kwamba hiyo maneno Profesa Kindiki amefanya hapa, wewe ni sehemu ya wale watu waliotusaidia kutimiza haya mambo ambayo tulikubaliana na Wakenya. Tunaelewana jameni? Kwanza mimi nataka kurecognize hapa tuko na candidates ama aspirants wa kiti ya governor. Kama umekuja hapa wewe ni aspirant wa kiti ya governor, simama tukupigie makofi. Hawa majamaa tuko na aspirants wa governor 149. Mwapigie makofi jameni. Wameketi kila mahali hapa. Asanteni, ketini. Hapa tuko na aspirants wanaotafuta kiti ya Senate. Wasimame wakiwa hapa wale wanatafuta kiti ya Senate. Tuko na aspirants 279 wanaotafuta kiti ya Senate. Mwapigie makofi jameni. Tuko hapa na kina mama aspirants wale wanaotafuta kiti ya women rep 323 aspirants looking for women rep. Mwapigie makofi jameni. Tuko hapa na aspirants wanaotafuta kiti ya ubunge, members of the National Assembly 1372. Mwapigie makofi jameni. Mwapigie makofi. Aya. Alafu sasa tuko na grassroots. Tuko na majamaa wa grassroots, wale viongozi wa mashinani, kiti ya MCA pale karibu na Mwananchi 10,233. Tuwapigie makofi jameni.
Mwanchomo ligiriria gwikira buno tukuturira ekiunga chinsa inye tugwakirembia muno ya bene asenge nje gochora akurigiriria Getembe TV genda gutwara obuligiri birubya na wigotware obutuburubya tumerane litkulia ankyo eli tugendere kwe manyamange korwa chinsemo au tobwatirande ne timu ngima eliko ene kinga kwa yanyorire asenchira yo wikirano nchani gongoro kwa Ruth Kemunto.
Esukuru ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College igego kwarigania ase intake ya January eyu ebwata chikosi ao bunabono Agricultural and Environment Studies, Mechanical and Automotive Engineering, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning, Welding and Fabrication na wigo ase ensema ya Building and Civil Engineering nkwegeli bale Plumbing, Masonry, Carpentry and Joinery, Building Technology, Civil Engineering na wigo Water Engineering ase ensema ya Computing and Informatics nkwegeli bale ICT Operator, ICT Technician, Computer Packages, Cyber Security na wigo na Network System Administration ase ensema ya Electrical and Electronic Engineering nkwegeli bale Electrical Installation na wigo Electrical Engineering ase ensema ya Cosmetology nkwegeli bale Hairdressing wigo mbabwate Fashion Design ase Hospitality and Tourism nkwegeli bale Food Production yani cookery na wigo Food and Beverage Production wigo mbabwate course ya Driving kuchasi bali bonse baraganye kwegera kugenda Kigali.
Asa Marieta Ngorogu James Barari Nyakundi principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College eye gotoka Alimongoni, Kitutu Masaba North Sub-County, Kitutu Masaba Constituency, Nyamira County. Abana baino bali ba college school ya class 8 gose form 4 batagiye universities acha teyo babere isiko ekiagara bone gase Kitutu Masaba ndobwate chikose zicheme kono cy'ububundi cyonsi. Abana ngwakana bali kibese ne serikali wetera the government scholarship mkwaye gubali chiloni cyogo soma wetera help higher education loans board ne kibese cy'umwana nkwaye wale kiri kitokoroka out of pocket ekyo mwana gotumia kumenye school gurendagera na gwakane se nyomba komenya egento kende abana nkwaye gubali chi constituency bursaries and even county government bursaries ekyo applications chirororo n'ababunge bunabono mu bungo Kitutu Masaba constituency bwana honorable Clive Gisairo we are committed sana aso go support abana bagocha Kitutu Masaba egende getangania tabiri mwana ndo bwense gocha Kitutu Masaba wekawe bursary in full inda abana baito January intake negendereta abana bali bakoso school January mwakaribishwe ndogenderete na intake na application sinchigenderete
asamange nabo okubatalira ase school yiga kose obakirisi ni gutrasa kiramba cyabo 0743480999 kose 0782490068. Noganye gukorerwa live streaming ase chipejo cha social media cha Getembe nubwate imisangirikano ya gisiasha amatanga chinyangi chibirthday mesangirikano y'ekikanisa baby shower anniversaries gose ekinyoro kinyomo enyangi usuko kwa kuyomino emijega ao bunabono housewarming parties engagement parties egatie binde bige bono Getembe television network nero ego kwayega asiri golidio gotukutera ninchwe omurikirwe ye masege munaba manyi baitabo bale nobo manyi wigoro igeti byetibwate signal ere enkongo igwikira abantu bange asubunge asamange onye kuganitie omurikirwe nabukulika jumbenge wigo gwitira semeria WhatsApp usiku yakisi migwitira namba 0741499726
Enagitari ya HK International Medical Center nige gotoka imyomo chobosongo nigo yakira sengen